Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Wallet and checking your Apple Cash balance so you know exactly how much you can move. If prompted, authenticate with Face ID or your passcode. This is required for transfers. Next, make sure a bank account or debit card is linked and verified in Settings. Transfers fail without confirmation. Once done, choose Transfer to Bank and enter the exact dollar amount you want to withdraw. This prevents overdrafts and keeps the process smooth. Now you tap the Apple Cash card and select Transfer to Bank. Choose between the free 1-3 business day option or the instant transfer for a fee. Enter the amount you decided earlier and pick the correct linked account. Double-check the last 4 digits. Make sure to review any instant transfer fee so you understand the cost. Confirm the transfer with Face ID or your passcode and keep the confirmation number or screenshot. It helps track the transfer if anything delays. Finally, monitor the transfer status in Wallet until it shows completed. 1-3 business days may be required for standard transfers, while Instant usually posts immediately. If the transfer fails, make sure your bank routing/account numbers match exactly and that your Apple Cash balance covered the amount plus any fee. If problems persist, sign into your Apple ID to check for holds or security flags, and contact Apple support or your
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.